Have you ever had some make a comment about you and no matter how much time passed, it still stuck with you? Like, you have gained weight. Why aren't you married yet? Your skin is getting darker. You look like a stick. Eat more. And even though you laughed it off, in that moment, deep down, it stayed. And the person who said it, they probably forgot about it. But you still carry it. And here's the thing. We do the same to others without even realizing it. We make casual comments thinking it's harmless, but those words stay with people longer than we think. Because here's what happened. The way you speak to someone eventually becomes the way they speak to themselves. Your words don't disappear after you say them. They get stuck. And they replay in someone's mind over and over until they start believing it. And most of the time, we don't even mean to hurt them, but we do. We say things like, why aren't you married yet? You look darker these days. Use some cream. You're still jobless. What are you even doing with your life? We don't realize, but those words plant insecurity in them. And over time, those inner securities or those insecurities becomes their inner voice. So here's what I'm asking you to do. Change the way you speak. Instead of planting insecurity, let's plant confidence. Instead of tearing them down, let's build them up. And it's not even hard. You just need to switch your words. So here's some example. Instead of saying you gained weight, let's say, I hope you're taking care of yourself. You deserve it. And instead of saying, why aren't you married yet? Let's say, I hope you find someone who truly makes you happy. And instead of saying, your skin is getting darker, let's say, you always carry yourself so confidently. Because here's the truth. Your words can either break someone or build someone. So choose words that build. Also, here's a very simple rule that helps you. It's called the 10-second rule. Before you say something about someone, ask yourself, can they change it in 10 seconds? If it's a yes, like a messy hair, stained shirt, a smudged eyeliner, or lipstick on a teeth, you can point it out. But if it's a no, let's like the body size, skin color, relationship status, or life situation, stay silent. Because your words don't add value. They only add insecurity. And sometimes your silence is the kindest thing you can offer. Because the truth is, you will never regret being kind, but you might regret saying something that planted doubt in someone for years. So make sure your words build confidence, not insecurity. And now, let's be a little petty for a second. If there is that one person whose comment still haunts you, you know who I'm talking about. Send them this video casually, no context. Let the video do the talking. And who knows, maybe it will make them think twice before speaking next time. Or at least, it will a sudden reminder on how much their words once affected. And if you ever have been on the receiving end of those comments, remember this. You're not what they said about you. You're not their words. You're so much more than that. So, let's change the cycle. Speak words that heal, not hurt. Words that build, not break. And words that people will remember for the right reasons. Because in the end, your words become their inner voice. So make sure it's something worth remembering. Thank you.